Hello friends, today we are looking at how to install saddle stay on the Honda TRANSALP 750 bike. Required product: saddle stay joiner, bush and screws. First step, remove screws on the bike backside. This is saddle stay. It's developed by H Exhaust Company. Fit the saddle stay correct place on the bike. Tighten with bush and screws. Similarly, install saddle stay on the other side. This is saddle stay joiner. It's make better strong to the saddle stay. Joint the saddle stay with saddle stay joiner and tighten with nut and bolts. That's all we need. We installed saddle stay on the Honda TRANSALP 750 bike.